Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of January. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of January and how it will move in the rest of January 2024. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it is trying to form a red candle for the 2 weeks of January. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price started falling below this level, a further fall we can see, and it can come towards a level of $207. Okay, after that it can move below a level of $2. Okay, as we know that this is the strong support at $20.07. So once started moving below this level, a further downfall we can see, and this particular pattern will also support this particular zone. So you have to keep it in mind that as soon as started moving below a level of around $2,000, chances will be very high the price of gold can move further low. Okay, this is what we can see looking as per the chart. Now it is trading at a level of $29, and if the price started sustaining above a level of around 2051, a further upside movement we can see in the price of gold. See, those who are new to my channel or beginners, as you have not traded in gold or you just came to my video, understand something. See how the gold was moving previously. If you look at after pandemic, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is being same form for this 8 particular years pattern, 2020, 12 to 2020, and these similar pattern are formed. Okay, what we have seen in pandemic, that there is a continuous upside after making a fall, and this pattern is being formed. Till now we have seen the same pattern is formed. So once the price started moving above $20.51, a further upside movement we can see. As we know that 2024 the election will be there, so chances will be very high that we can see a further upside movement in the price of gold, and that if the price of dollar index move upside, we can see there will be a fall in the price of gold as one of the factors. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 weeks of January 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a U pattern forming, as clearly looking at this particular chart. This is the first pattern, the opposite pattern is forming here. So as we can see, looking at this particular trend, there is a higher chances that as soon as the price, because trying to create a narrow pattern, so chances will be very high as soon as it breaks above a level of 2097, this time a further upside movement we can see. But the dollar index is trying also going a further high. So if the price started moving below, see, means the dollar index move above, keep moving upside, we will see that the gold price can come down. Okay, this one of the factor, there's a high probability that it can come down, and this pattern is also supporting it, because if the price started moving below a level of $2,000, a further movement we can see towards down. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Let's see if the price didn't sustain. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards a level of $20.03.39. Okay, if the price fall below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see from there, a probability of going towards $19.94. Once the price started falling below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $19.77. Keep that in mind that once the price started falling below 1994, a further downfall we can see, which is on a higher side, that it will touch a level of around after 1994, 1990, and then from there, as per monthly chart I'm talking about, we can see it will fall further low, and from there a probability of going towards 1986. If the price started falling below 1986, then we can see the next support coming at a level of around $1977, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $1968.62. Okay, keep that in mind that once the price started falling below $1968.62, if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 1964.61. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, a further fall we can see, and then we can see it will move towards a level of around $1960. Okay, chances are very high that once the price started falling 90.64, a further fall we can see towards 90.60, and if the price started falling below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see from there, a level of 1956. Why I'm telling you all these resistance and support, you have to understand that these are the supports and resistance which makes the price further fall or a bounce back come from this particular level. Okay, so keep it in mind that as soon as the price started falling below $2k, a further downfall we can see, which shows that it can move below a level of around 1900 also if the price started falling below this particular level as per a monthly chart. But suppose if it form a swing, if it sustain this level and form move upside, then the next resistance coming at a level of 2048. Okay, if the price sustain above 2048, a further upside we can see towards a level of 2052. Okay, and if the price started sustaining above 2052, a further high we can see from that level to a level of around 19 20 $79. Okay, because as you can see, looking that level after 2052, a further high we can see towards a level of 2052, and from there a level of around $20.79 after crossing a level of 2066. Because this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it will cross a level of 2079, which is already being tested. So week after that we can see a level of 2145. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that once the price started sustaining about 2048, we can see a level of 2052. After that we can see it will cross a level of 2066, because this level is already being tested to a level of 2079. Once the price start sustaining 2079, we will see it will cross a level of 2145, and from there a new high it will go upside. Okay, and chances are very high we can see a further upside. Okay, because there will be an all-time high break and a further upside movement we can see in the price of gold. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or go in the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my